and welcome back to Devoted Disney Down Under. Now I'm here today with another Popcultcha mystery box, and this one, guys, is The Nightmare Before Christmas Clown in Jack in the Box train cart, and it comes with 3 additional pop vinyls. Probably pop vinyls we either don't want or we already have, but that's okay because the one we're after is the train cart. So let's just crack right into it and see what we've got. Tape used on this box. And we have a box in a box. Okay, so firstly we have, oh, ooh, this is pretty good. Batman art series. Wasn't expecting that in the box, guys. Now I love my art series pops, even the Batman ones. I'm not normally a Batman collector, but that is really, really cool. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that in the box though, so I hope there's not been a mistake. And we have Weedle on the Needle. I'm thinking, was this meant to come with 3 additional pops? We have Plumpy. Not one we're going to keep. Actually, we're not going to keep any of them. This one may, because Andrew does like his retro toys. And it is part of the retro toy line. So maybe. And we have... oh, here we go. Clown in Jack in the Box cart. So no, it is the correct box. I thought it came with 3 additional pops. My mistake. It is really cool. Funko Shop exclusive. There's the train on the back. And the last one in here is Harry Potter 2021 Summer Convention. And it is Harry with the Flying Key. That's a cool one. I have a few daughters fighting over that one, because Andrew already has it. So I'm very happy with that box. Packed to perfection, no damage. Have my train cart. Have an awesome art series. And we have a Harry Potter that we'll pass on to one of the girls. And I'm pretty sure Andrew will keep this. So there's pretty much only one that we'll be passing on. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe. We're nearly 1,000 subs and we'll be doing an 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So once again, thank you. And until next time, guys, happy collecting and bye for now.